Imagine taking to the skies with confidence, clarity, and total control. This is the AE8 EVO GPS Drone, a powerful aerial photography drone designed for creators, explorers, and drone enthusiasts who want premium features without the premium price. Right out of the box, the AE8 EVO impresses with its 4.5-inch screen remote controller, delivering real-time HD image transmission without the need for a smartphone. What you see is exactly what the drone sees: smooth, stable, and immersive. At the heart of this drone is an advanced, high-definition electric phase shifting camera, supporting up to 8K resolution with 3 camera switching. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes, overhead perspectives, or dynamic tracking shots, the AE8 EVO gives you cinematic flexibility in every flight. Safety and stability are where this drone truly shines. With 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, the drone actively detects and avoids obstacles in real time, making flights safer even in complex environments. Combined with optical flow hovering, GPS positioning, and EIS anti-shake stabilization, you get smooth, steady footage even while moving at speed. The AE8 EVO is built for long adventures. Enjoy up to 28 minutes of flight time, a 5-kilometer control and image transmission range, and a powerful 7.4V 3400 mAh battery that keeps you airborne longer. Intelligent features like GPS return to home, intelligent follow mode, gesture recognition, and one-touch return make flying easy for beginners and efficient for experienced pilots. Whether you're filming travel content, outdoor adventures, or creative aerial shots, this brushless motor quadcopter delivers power, precision, and peace of mind in every flight. If you're looking for a feature-packed GPS drone with a screen controller, long range, obstacle avoidance, and high-resolution cameras, the AE8 EVO GPS drone is definitely worth a closer look. Ready to explore the sky? Let's take off!